In this video, I want to show you how to delete page in PDF file. That is, how to remove pages from your PDF documents. So let's get started. For example, I have this PDF file which is a result of plagiarism check report. So in a situation where I want to submit only the first page, I don't want to submit the whole document. If you look at the document, they are about 11 pages. But I want to remove other pages and remain only the first page. So how do I remove other pages? So to do that is quite simple. So just open your browser. Let's open a new tab and type I love PDF. Press enter. Here is the link to I love PDF. Click to open the page. When it opens, this site has a lot of tools to work with PDF file. You can see a lot of tools you can use to work with PDF file. So come to all PDF tools. When you click on it or hover on it, you will see remove pages. Click on this tool. When you click on that, you'll be requested to select your PDF document. Click on select PDF document. Navigate to your folder, and here I want to pick this PDF file. Click to select it and click on open. So this will display the pages of your PDF document. So you can see the number of pages there, they are 11. However, my interest is on this first page. So which means I want to remove all the other ones. So to do that, just click to select the ones you want to remove. You can see as I'm clicking on it, it's selecting them. After selecting all the ones you want to remove, and of course you can also enter the range here. So after selecting the pages you want to remove, click on remove pages. It will process it and remove the pages you selected from the PDF document. Yes, it is done. And after that, you can click on download PDF to download the results. You can see, and it will put underscore remove on your document name. So let's check it out. If I go under download, you can see it plagiarism test result underscore remove. That is the result. So if I click to open it, let me zoom out. So you can see it that I'm left with only one page which I want. So if I compare it with the original document, which is 11 pages, you can see that this one is 11 pages, but I've removed all other pages I don't want, and I'm left with one page. So this is how to remove pages from PDF documents. Thank you for watching.